Hey, did you know math problems are almost always written backward? I'm Dr. Dave Johnston, and I've worked with special education and math teachers and students for over 20 years. And I've seen plenty of students who knew how to do the calculations, but they couldn't use the math that they already knew because they were tripped up by these math problems that we write in reverse. In our reading and our English classes, we learn a pretty standard form of writing that starts off with our main idea. It tells us the point of the writing and explains to us why we should care. And then it goes into supporting information and lots of details. But not in our math classes. There, we start with all kinds of disconnected supporting information. Shampoo costs 45 cents an ounce. I've got a coupon I can use at the grocery store. We even intentionally throw in information the students won't need. This bottle of shampoo is 8 inches tall. Then we finally wind our way around to the main idea and the purpose of the whole question. How much change will I get back from a $20 bill? If you have students who struggle with short-term working memory, processing speed, reading comprehension, this backward writing format can really get in the way of the math that they're trying to learn. One of my favorite accommodations when I'm working with students with these characteristics is to simply flip the problem. I pull that question up to the front and I make it the first thing that students see. It gives them a framework as they read the rest of the problem. It gives purpose to their reading. Now they know what they're looking for and they can better determine what's important and what's not. Then I give them all that supporting information and maybe even tack that question on again at the end. I've written a great book, Activating the Untapped Potential of Neurodiverse Learners in the Math Classroom. It's for math teachers who provide special education services and special education teachers who teach math. Chapter 7 is all about high-impact accommodations and modifications to help students learn math and perform well. What adjustments do students need? When do I need to implement them? How do I train students to become more independent from them? Some of my other favorite accommodations are chunking information, adding diagrams, rephrasing, and color coding. You can read all about implementing accommodations and how and when to modify math assignments in my book. It's available online from Amazon or Routledge. It's full of practical applications that you can use in your classroom with your students today. I hope that you'll go check it out now.